know that cleaning big window glass can be tricky, so in today's video we'll be going over how to clean big window glass. Stay tuned. Starting off with the mop, T-bars. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how to clean this big window. Already have the solution in it, so just go ahead and mop the top, half the glass, and then half the glass. Get your squeegee. Get the other half. This is a bigger window, so we just go ahead and mop it off real quick. Get rid of the excess water. Detail. So this time we're gonna clean the whole glass, wash it one time, everything. It's kind of wet. I mean, glass is hot. See the steam coming off the glass. You can clean this big glass both ways. When it is hot, we don't want the solution to dry up. So you gotta move fast. Cleaning this is so big. Recommend doing it half and half, but we can definitely clean it in one shot. You get your squeegee, start from the top, come all the way to the bottom, go back up, see all that steam coming up, and keep on going, fan all the way down. This is when the fanning technique comes in really handy. You just go and knock it out, straight to the bottom. You got multiple ways. Clean this big window. Then we just clean it up. Detail the edges. Detail the edges. Wipe off the ledge. And you got a clean window. So this window is a little bit taller. As you can see, I can't get up there just by hand. So we're going to use the pole and do the top half and then do the bottom with hand. Do the top half first. Bring it down to where you can reach it by hand. These bigger windows are usually a little bit trickier to clean. You just go ahead, the flip pad, put it down, get up in there. You can fan it if you want. I like the straight pull. Big up the Steve-O. He said just do a straight pull up top. Then come and catch it down low. And I think Luke and his wife did a video on this method too. So it's not really anything new, but it's just what we do out here as window cleaners. And this is how I do it. It worked good for me. Then I just go ahead and the bottom, catch whatever you miss, go back up, come down, Goes out at the bottom. Clean off the ledges. That's it. 1, 2. Guys, if you like these videos, remember to like and subscribe to see more videos like these.